Hey everyone, it is meteorologist Christy Shields. We are going to experience some strong winds today, potentially damaging. So I want to take you through what to expect as we head into the afternoon. A cold front moved through last night, brought us some showers, even a few rumbles of thunder. And now behind that front, we're seeing a strong westerly wind. And today, there's a high wind warning for Blair, Bedford, Cambria, and Somerset counties because winds today could gust upwards of 60 miles an hour. Now for Clearfield, as well as Jefferson, Elk, Cameron, Center, and Huntingdon County, it is a wind advisory, which means in those spots we could see winds gusting up to around 50 miles an hour. Even if it's 50 or 60 miles an hour, it can cause damage, so you want to use caution throughout the day today. And we potentially could see a few power outages as well. So here's a look at that power outage index for today. Again, that yellow representing a low chance for a power outage in some spots. And you can see here more of an orange color on the ridge tops. There's a moderate chance that there could be a power outage, so just be prepared. Again, secure anything outdoors that could blow away that is loose to make sure that it's not blowing into your neighbor's yard or onto the roads. And also with the power outage, just in case there is a power outage, make sure all your devices like your cell phone, your laptop, or your tablet is charged, and put some fresh batteries into a flashlight just in case you need those due to that. So winds throughout the day today. I think the strongest winds are going to be occurring from 11 a.m. this morning until around 3 o'clock this afternoon, and we'll slowly start to see them diminishing. So again, the strongest winds during late morning into the early to late afternoon. We'll see those winds between 25 to 30 miles an hour sustained. Now, it's the wind gusts, those quick bursts of wind that could really pack a punch. So by 7 this morning, we had those winds starting to pick up from the south. But as we head throughout the morning hours, we start to see them turning more westerly. This is 11:45 this morning. You can see we could potentially see those wind gusts upwards of 50 to 60 miles an hour, potentially packing a punch here in central Pennsylvania. And we see those strong wind gusts until around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And then slowly those winds will be diminishing as we head into the evening hours and overnight.